Hello everyone, Microsoft is preparing a major overhaul of the Windows 11 context menu system to address one of the operating system's most criticized usability problems: slow, cluttered, and unreliable right-click menus. The changes are part of the broader Windows K2 initiative, Microsoft's effort to improve Windows 11 performance, reliability, and core user experiences. Currently, context menu can become sluggish because of third-party apps adding their own commands, too many shell extensions loading when users use the context menu. The menu has also become crowded with rarely used actions, and the system has to process multiple integrations before displaying the options. On systems with many installed applications, opening the context menu can take a long time, creating a frustrating experience in File Explorer and across the operating system. And Microsoft's solution, as reported by Windows Central, is a context menu system that focuses on speed, simplicity, and user control. So what are the changes coming to the Windows 11 context menu? First, there is a new compact context menu design. So Microsoft is developing a new streamlined right-click menu that prioritizes the actions users use most often. Changes include a smaller and cleaner menu layout, faster opening speed, less dependency on third-party extensions, improved responsiveness, and reduce loading delays. The goal is for context menus to appear instantly instead of waiting for the operating system to load every available command. Second, users will be able to customize context menu. One of the biggest changes is giving users control over what happens in the right-click menu. So it appears that one of the changes coming to the context menu is a new customized option that will appear at the bottom of the menu based on the information available. With this option, users will be able to show or hide individual commands and unwanted app entries. Users will be able to choose which applications appear, and they can rearrange the order of the actions. This will eliminate the need for third-party tools and registry edits to clean up the menu. Third, there will be a better control over third-party app integrations. Currently, apps can add commands to the context menu, sometimes creating unnecessary clutter. Microsoft's new approach will reduce unwanted menu extensions, give users more control over third-party entries, and prevent apps from overwhelming the menu experience. This could make installing applications less likely to degrade the operating system performance over time. Also, users will notice faster right-click performance across the operating system. The improvements will not be limited to File Explorer. The redesigned menu are expected to improve right-click performance across File Explorer, desktop, native apps, and other UI areas. The goal is a consistent and responsive experience throughout the operating system. And finally, it's important to point out that Microsoft will continue its effort to modernize the Windows 11 interface by switching more system components to WinUI, the company's modern design framework for Windows apps and experiences. The goal is to create a more consistent experience while improving performance, responsiveness, and reliability across the operating system. Although context menus already use WinUI, the company is focusing on improving the underlying implementation to reduce delay, eliminate performance bottlenecks, and make the experience feel more responsive. And that's it. Those are the details that we know so far about the changes coming to the context menu. Now, when these changes are going to be available to users, that is still unclear, but according to the report, it might happen before the end of the year. Another important thing to point out is that the company has previously said that it's working on making the context menu faster, simpler, and with the option to configure the items on the menu. But we're going to have to wait and see what actually is going to arrive to the operating system. Now, let me know in the comments what you think about these changes that are likely to arrive for the context menu. Like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.